my god, you made a song just for TikTok? What are you, a simp?
Kasi as far as I know, if you're gonna go for pastel colors or gray colors, kailangan yung hair mo is nasa at least level 9 na blonde. So, this is more of like an experiment. Ayan, so what is up you guys, it's your girl Maeia, we're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, so you guys can see from the title down below, I'm gonna be coloring my hair gray. So, mga products na gagamitin natin is none other than Bremod Performance Hair Colorant, which is, ayan. Pag-mixin natin ang dalawang shades, first is itong 0.19 Ash, and itong 9.1 Metallic Gray. So, the reason why pag-mixin ko sila, it's because my hair is darker than level 9 para gumamit ng metallic gray. So, ayan, mag-a-add tayo ng touch ng ash. Anyways, for the oxidizer, we're gonna be using the Colisi Developer 12%. Ayan, so I prepared 3 of which in case na kulangin. We also have here the usual things that I use when I color my hair. So, meron tayong supplies, disposable gloves, and itong pagmimixan natin ng hair color and oxidizer. Guys, pagmixin na natin ang ating hair color and oxidizer dito sa container na ito. So, ito yung metallic gray, ito yung ash. Ayan, lagay na natin si metallic gray sa mixture natin. So, ayan, dumidilim na naman dito sa kwarto ko. Anyways, eto na yung dalawang tube ng ash and metallic gray. Ayan siya. So, ilalagay na natin ngayon yung 12% na developer or oxidizer. First bottle. Ayan. So, ayan, nailagay ko na yung dalawang color and dalawang oxidizer. So, i-follow natin yung ratio na 1:1. And ito namang isang natitirang developer natin is, I'll just leave it na lang for my next hair coloring session. Mix lang natin tong dalawa. Ayan. So, ayan, tapos na yung mixture natin. Ang gagawin ko na lang is, magsusuot ako nitong disposable gloves and then magsa-start na tayo sa pagko-color. So, hair check lang tayo. Ito yung hair ko ngayon. Ayan, nasa level 6 na blonde siya. And yung base ko is faded ash green, which is, ayan siya. So, medyo patchy. And meron na ding mga roots, mga 1 inch na roots. Ayan. So, yung hair ko overall is nasa level 6 na blonde lang siya. Pero we'll still try to see if kulay ba yung gray sa hair ko. Kasi as far as I know, if you're gonna go for pastel colors or gray colors, kailangan yung hair mo is nasa at least level 9 na blonde. So, this is more of like an experiment.
Oh my god, you made a song just for TikTok? What are you, a simp?
Babe, you always on my gas list.
No.
Got Hulu Plus, don't need no Netflix.
No.
Don't make me beg, I'm feeling desperate. So please don't say no, oh, oh, please don't say no.
No.
I like you and when you playing hard to get. Ay, when we making plans, you act like you forget. Ay, when you make fun of my car, I get upset. When you done with all the others, yeah, you know that I got next, I got next. Yeah, you can come and watch me drink my morning coffee, yeah. But you make me kinda nervous. You do that on purpose, yeah. Babe, you always on my gas list.
No.
Got Hulu Plus, don't need no Netflix.
No.
Don't make me beg, I'm feeling desperate. So please don't say no, oh, oh, please don't say no.
No.
Sun be shining, backyard blooming, are you coming over? Hope it's not like normal and I get that cold shoulder. I got beers, but guess you really don't be drinking no tequila or something. Well, we got a lot to be grateful for. Yeah, you can come and watch me drink my morning coffee, yeah. kinda nervous. You do that on purpose, yeah. Have you always on my gas list?
No.
Got Hulu Plus, don't need no Netflix.
No.
Don't make me beg, I'm feeling desperate. So please don't say no, oh, oh, please don't say no.
No. No.
Don't make me beg, I'm feeling desperate.
So, ayan guys, tapos ko na siyang i-apply sa aking hair and i-wrap ko lang siya nitong plastic cellophane para mag-sit siya sa hair ko and then we will be right back. So, ayan, since na-wrap ko na siya ng plastic cellophane, maghihintay lang tayo na mag-sit sa hair ko and then i-rinse natin siya after 30 minutes. Okay, so while waiting, pag-usapan muna natin yung magiging expectations ko. So, as far as I know, level 6 to 7 lang yung base ng hair ko. So, obviously, hindi ito magiging super gray. Baka maging parang ash gray lang siya or ash blonde looking. Alam niyo yung ganong effect. But yeah, let's still see kung ano magiging result nitong ating experiment. By the way, first time ko palang gumamit itong Colisi developer kasi usually yung ginagamit ko talaga is yung Bremod Collage Hydrox. Pero naubusan daw dun sa binibilhan kong store. So, we had to use this one. So, kung i-compare ko sila, mas mahapdi ang Bremod and this one is konti lang yung hapdi niya. Right now, ayan, hindi naman masyadong mahapdi yung hair ko. So, while waiting for 30 minutes, panoorin muna natin itong bagong release na MV ni Jeon Somi, which is itong Anymore. So, ayan.
You made a song just for TikTok? What are you, a simp?
Have you always on my gas list?
No.
Got Hulu Plus, don't need no Netflix.
No.
Don't make me beg, I'm feeling desperate. So please don't say no, oh, oh, please don't say no.
No.
Yeah. I like you and when you playing hard to get. Ay, when we making plans, you act like you forget. Ay, when you make fun of my car, I get upset. When you done with all the others, yeah, you know that I got next, I got next. Yeah, you can come and watch me drink my morning coffee, yeah. But you make me kinda nervous. You do that on purpose, yeah.